Welcome to the prestigious world of luxury yachts, where the Principality of Monaco plays a central role. A symbol of glamour and elegance, Monaco hosts iconic events every year, such as the Monaco Yacht Show, showcasing the most exclusive creations in the nautical world. Dive with us into this fascinating world, where luxury and innovation sail side by side. The luxury yachts on display in Monaco embody the pinnacle of design and innovation. From their premium materials, such as teak, marble, and refined textiles, to their panoramic decks overlooking the Riviera, every detail is designed to offer an unparalleled experience. Integrated technologies, such as eco-friendly engines and connected spaces, illustrate the future of luxury.